Hello, hello! Question number 3. Oh, man. A rectangular prism. A rectangular prism shaped, that should be hyphenated, shaped object with a length of 8.4 centimeters, a width of 2.5 centimeters, and a height of 3 centimeters. The object weighs 75 grams. What is the density of the object? That's kind of weirdly worded. So I have this rectangular prism-shaped object. I know a rectangular prism is a two-based figure, and the bases are in shapes of rectangles. I'm going to draw this. It might look like a Pop-Tarts box. Whoa, a crushed Pop-Tarts box. It doesn't really matter which parts of this rectangular prism we call the length, the width, and the height, because to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we are simply doing the area of one of the rectangular bases times the height, or the distance between the bases. So we're going to be multiplying a length, a width, and a height. It doesn't matter in which order you multiply these things. 2 times 5 times 6 is the same as 6 times 5 times 2 is the same as 5 times 6 times 2. Same with these 3 figures. So let's assign some labels. According to my picture, it looks like the longest side would be here. So we'll call this the length, 8.4 centimeters. A width of 2.5 centimeters. So we'll call the length and the width of this rectangular base, these two numbers, and a height of 3 centimeters. I'm given the object's weight, or its mass. It weighs 75 grams. And I'm being asked to find the density. So this whole unit is the relationship between density, mass, and volume. Mass is a fancy word for weight. In this question, I'm being asked to find the density. I know the mass, or the weight, they tell me that, and I'm pretty sure I can find the volume by using my knowledge of the volume of rectangular prisms. So let's do that. Let's plug in what we know. The mass is 75 grams. The volume is length times width times height. So the volume of this would be 8.4 centimeters times 2.5 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Let's multiply those 3 numbers. 8.4, I'll race you. Can you find the answer faster than I can? Oh my gosh, the volume is a nice, pretty 63 centimeters cubed. Volume is in cubic units. I have a centimeter times a centimeter times a centimeter, or a centimeter multiplied by itself 3 times, cubed. Great, let's plug that in here. What is the density? I simply now divide these two numbers and throw on a unit. 75 divided by 63 equals 1.19. It doesn't tell me what place I need to round to, so let's round it to the hundredths place. My density equals 1.19. Now, what is my unit? Grams per centimeter cubed. For every cubic centimeter of this rectangular prism, there is 1.19 gram of weight. Okay? Each cubic centimeter, I could divide this into a bunch of little cubic centimeters, and each one would weigh 1.19 grams. That's what the density means. If you go back up here to volume, you would have found 63 centimeters cubed, no matter which way you multiplied these 3 digits. Okay, so instead of doing 8.4 times 2.5 times 3, you could have done 3 times 8.4 times 2.5. Are we going to get the same number? Uh-oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, I missed that decimal. Let's try that again. 3 times, I'm just switching the order, 8.4 times 2.5. What am I doing wrong? 3 times 8.4 times 2 point, there we go, 5. 63. Cool? Good work, guys. How do I stop this thing? Uh-oh.